Hello everyone and welcome to the new little mini game for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. I know that this is a late upload and it's been a while since I uploaded. But this game came out just literally an hour ago. And this is supposed to be kind of like the Whack-A-Boy mini game for the Twisted Realities game, but this is a new one called Carousel Repair. Now, things I'll be getting back to the Five Nights at Freddy's Pocket Horror, but things have been a little bit busy. So let's see what this is. The carousel is broken. It'll take about an hour to fix. Good thing Valentine is here to keep you company. Wait, where'd you go? Reward takes 1 hour off your shift. Press any key to continue. Wait, I'm lost. What am I even supposed to be doing?
God who loves us, He gave us life.
So I'm doing something.
I won't let you steal that from us. Why would you do that? We have shared Father's love with the others.
What in the world is going on?